In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. If you want to place your subject into a completely different scene, CapCut makes the process very simple. The key is to set up your layers correctly and then use the built-in Chroma key tool to remove the green background cleanly. I'll walk you through it in a clear, easy way so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, let's stack the layers the right way on the timeline. First, drag your background image or background video onto the main track, which is lane 1. This will be the scene that appears behind your subject after the green screen is removed. Next, take your green screen footage and place it directly above that background on track lane 2. This order matters because CapCut needs the green screen clip on top so the background underneath can show through. Once that's in place, click on the green screen clip to make sure it's selected before moving on. Now it's time to tell CapCut exactly which color you want to remove. Go to the top right Properties panel, make sure you're under the Video section, and then click Remove BG or Cutout, depending on the version you see. From there, check the box for Chroma key. This activates the green screen removal tool. Next, click the small color picker eyedropper icon. Then move over to your preview screen and click anywhere on the bright green area of your footage. CapCut will sample that green color and begin separating it from your subject. After that, the most important part is refining the result so it looks clean and natural. Slowly increase the strength slider until the green background disappears completely. It's best to do this gradually because pushing it too hard too fast can start removing parts of your subject, especially around hair, clothing edges, or transparent details. Keep adjusting until the background is gone, but your subject still looks solid and intact. If you notice dark outlines, uneven edges, or leftover green spill around the subject, use the shadow slider to help clean things up. Dragging this up can restore more natural-looking shadows and improve the overall edge quality. This is especially useful if your original green screen lighting wasn't perfectly even. Take a moment to fine-tune it until the subject blends nicely with the new background. And that's it. Your subject is now keyed cleanly over your chosen background, and your green screen has been removed in CapCut PC.